this tutorial I will show you how to install Ninjaboard on Mocha, themed by Joomla Junkie. As you can see here, it's just a vanilla install of it. So let's go to the admin, and right here on my desktop I got a fairly new zip of Ninjaboard ready. So let's just drag it over here and upload and install. So as you can see here is a brief report of what's installed, and the PHP and MySQL requirements all passed, and everything's looking great. See, here's our system plugin that loads MooTools 1.8 in the backend. Here's the Nuku framework, and we have a search plugin now for Ninjaboard, our framework, and the framework component from the Nuku framework and Ninjaboard, of course. So let's visit the dashboard to finish the install. As you can see here, this vanilla site got MySQL enabled and not MySQLi. Kuva, the codename for Nuku framework, requires MySQLi. So you get two options. You can show me how. I click show me how, and you see right in global configuration where you can enable it manually, or you can just like me, if you're a little lazy, just click auto configure. So once that's done, it will tell you that it changed to MySQLi, that the Nuku framework was enabled, and that our own system plugin was enabled. So, first time you visit Ninjaboard, it's not much to see really. There are no forums yet, there are no settings yet, there are no user groups or profiles or ranks. So let's go to sample content, and let's go to tools and click sample content so we get some data in here. So if you go back to forums, you'll see that we have some forums now. So let's see how that looks like on the front end after we enable a menu link that I prepared over here. Let's just change that to a Ninjaboard link here, and board index, and choose default and published to yes. So saving that, back to Mocha and refresh. We see a link over here, so let's click that. Now the next thing we want to do is we need to set the model Chrome and model class suffix. So now we need to set up a settings profile that have a default Chrome other than rounded. So click add settings, it's a default settings, so we pick that, and instead of rounded we're going to pick let's just go with basic for now, and apply that. Now we're going to see that Ninjaboard have changed, so that's obviously better than just a transparent box, but there's still more we can do. So let's go to the model icon styles and give it an icon. Let's see, I like the message icon. Copy that and go back over here, add that suffix here to give it that icon. Now you see it. So that's how easy it is to style it. You can give stuff like buttons your own style to them, like default markup for these buttons doesn't look very well in in Mocha. So let's change those. We only need them to, we don't need P tag here, and we don't need that at all. So let's apply. And you'll see that the button has changed. It looks far better now. See, there's a spacing problem here we should fix later. And click new topic. You'll see that the create topic button doesn't really look like a button, unlike add file. So you can change that by editing the template for create topic and just remove the P tag again, and we don't need this here. And then let's change from read more to button and hit apply. You'll then notice that it takes on the same styling as the template, so it looks like an actual button. Then if I create a topic, just a dummy topic, like that,